Hello, dear students. Hope all of you are fine. Once again, I welcome back everyone to our SST class. So, children, please learn at your home. We are reading our chapter 4, that is Evolution of Communication. So, what is the communication? We learned that it involves being in touch with others through speaking, writing, reading, or traveling. Then we have learned what is the need for writing. Okay. Then you understood about use of numbers and use of pigeons to send messages. So children, then we have learnt about invention of telephone. So today we will discuss about invention of telegraph, printing press and computers. So children, telegraph was invented by Samuel Morse. So children, remember who has invented our telegraph? Samuel Morse. With the use of telegraph, messages were sent in a codified language. The system of telegraph was used by people for quite some time. However, later, due to computer and smartphones, it lost its popularity. It was introduced in India in 1853 and discontinued in 2013. So, children, so our telegraph was there nearly 60 years. Okay, this was a very good machine to send letters in codified language. But nowadays, we all are using computer and smartphones. So by using different apps, we can send messages to our near and dear people. So now we will learn about our printing press. In olden days, books were handwritten. The process of writing was slow, laborious, and expensive. The invention of printing press by Johann Gutenberg in Germany proved as a boon for mass communication. So, children, our printing press is invented by Johann Gutenberg. Okay, he is from Germany. So, please remember. So, after coming this printing press, there is no need to write books. You just think, if someone will write books, then he has to take so much time. Okay? And it is very laborious work and very expensive also. With the passage of time, people started printing instead of writing. In the printing press, alphabets made of wood or metal were arranged on a machine to form words and sentences. So, children, in the printing press, we know alphabets were made up of wood or metal. Okay, they were arranged on a machine to form our words and sentence for printing or typing. These were inked and sheets of paper were later printed worldwide. In the world of today, newspapers, books, magazines are together called the print media. Newspapers are one of the most widespread means of communication. So children, all of you have seen newspaper, okay? They give important information about the events in politics, weather, economy, sports, science, etc. Journal and books are also used to communicate with a large number of people. Then we will learn about our computer. So children, we all of you know about the computers, isn't it? See in your book, three types of computers figure is given, that is desktop computer, laptop computer and our tablet PC. With the passage of time, computers emerged as an important and easy means of communication. The world of internet became the most important means of communication. The websites on the internet have a lot of information. The people visit them to gain knowledge of every aspect. Moreover, the email, full form of email is electronic mail, system has emerged to be the cheapest and the fastest means of communication. So children, all of you know about the computers. Okay, because of these computers, now everything is possible in this world. Technology is so advanced and we can communicate with each other through these computers by using internet. Our internet can store loads of information so that we can open this at any time whatever we need to see. Isn't students? So if we want to send something, then we can use email also. Nowadays, we are using WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, etc. for our communication purpose. So, our computers are playing a vital role in the process of communication nowadays. In present scenario, without computers, it is very difficult to work out. Okay, in big offices, in companies, computers are there. Many types of computers are there. The email ID of a person helps him to send and receive emails. We all of you know that when we generate our account in email, we have to create an ID. This ID helps us to send and receive our mails. Moreover, computers also enable online activities and social networking. There are various types of computers. However, today smartphones perform a lot of computer functions. So, we know that nowadays we all are using smartphones instead of computers. Okay, our smartphones also doing so many work of our computers. Now also we can learn online through these laptops or our smartphones. So children, up to this we have read today. Next class we will learn about our television, radio and communication satellites. I hope you all of you have understood. So please learn at your home. Thank you.